Well, here we are in the passenger side footwell of a 2010 Honda Accord, and we're ready to replace the blower motor resistor assembly. Now, you can see that there's already a blower motor sitting here. We've actually gone ahead and done that in a previous video. So if you're questioning how to do that, look up the replacement video on how to replace the blower motor. But the point here being that blower motor and resistors go hand in hand. If you're replacing one, you really need to replace the other one. So I quick wanted to show you how straightforward and simple this is. So we can look here, there's the hush panel, and this one's relatively simple. Simply give it a little bit of pressure. There's a couple clips holding this into place. You can drop it down, and you see some of these clips. I'm going to pull those out of my way. And just like that, we can now see the blower motor resistor assembly up here. So it's an electrical connection and simply two Phillips head screws. I'm going to simply use my screwdriver and I'll work both these screws out, and just like that, I'm going to have this blower motor resistor replaced. Okay, well, now that I've got my old blower motor resistor out of the way, see the electrical connector here. I always want to make sure it's not damaged or melted in any way, shape, or form. This one looks great. I also want to make sure there's no debris inside of there. Not a mouse nest or water or anything like that. Once that's all set and verified, I'm ready to install my new blower motor resistor. See, this one actually even comes with a new gasket there, helps seal this off. So I'm going to reinstall it. I will plug in my connector. Once I get it the right direction, plug in my connector, install those two screws, verify system operation. And remember, I already replaced the blower motor with this. Good idea to replace them in sets. And also take a look at the cabin air filter while you're in here. Do the customer a great favor. Once we verify everything works, now we're all set to go. Hopefully now you understand what it takes to replace the blower motor resistor on a 2010 Honda Accord.